Hello guys, welcome to Amobi YouTube channel. If you can't access your Samsung device after reset, it's probably because of Samsung FRP. Luckily, FRP bypass Samsung is not so difficult. So in today's video I'll discuss about how to bypass Google Lock on Samsung. FRP Samsung is a robust security system by Samsung, compatible with smartphones with Android version 5.1 or later. This feature keeps your device safe from unauthorized access as it requires you to sign in using the Google account associated with the device. FRP Samsung is especially useful in cases where your device is stolen or lost. You see, the FRP lock does not allow access to a device without signing into the Google account synced to it. Therefore, even if someone factory resets it, they won't be able to get in. Here in the first method, open Settings of your device, then go to Accounts and Backup option, and here you'll find all the accounts. Select the account and then hit the three-dot option. Then hit Remove Account option and it may ask for the screen password. Here in the second method, just download DroidKit from description, then click on the FRP bypass option. Then hit the Start option and it will start preparing device configuration file. Then hit the Start Bypass option, then select your device's Android version. Then do the following steps and hit Reset option. Now your device FRP start bypassing and it will take some time to complete it. So thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for leave a comment if you have any query.